So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the unable to save error on YouTube. So the first thing I will need to show you is if we go to the three dots here and then click on save to device to download our video, it will say unable to save. So what we need to do to fix this is we will need to add on back and then we need to go over now to Google Chrome. Once we head over to Google Chrome, if we go down to the bottom here, and then we go down and select request desktop site, and you can do this on Android as well, and you want to make sure that you open this in a new tab. And once we have opened this in a new tab and it doesn't open up the app, what we can do is click on our profile, and then once we go to our channel, select manage videos, which will then bring you over to a page that looks like this, and then you need to click on continue in studio. From here, you will then see a list of all your videos. Now, what we want to do if we want to download one of these is click on the one we want to download, and then you want to select the three dots here. Once we select the three dots, as you can see now, there is an option now to click on the download button, and then you will then be able to click on the download button here. And then once we select download, that will then allow us to download it to our device. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix unable to download on YouTube.